Hey there, aspiring entrepreneurs! Want to learn how to make some side cash, or maybe even a full-time income, just by recommending stuff online? If so, then affiliate marketing might be the thing for you. Let's dive in and get you started. Step number 1. Find your niche. Before you become a world-renowned affiliate marketer, you've got to figure out your focus. Try zeroing in on a specific interest, hobby, or problem that people face. Think about areas where you have some knowledge. Maybe it's home fitness, plant care, or healthy meal prep. The more specific, the better. Let's say you're kind of obsessed with those quirky indoor rock climbing gyms. Bingo! You've found yourself a niche, perfect for people interested in getting fit in a unique way. Step number 2. Pick your platform. You need to choose your digital home base. This is where you'll share your brilliant content and affiliate links. Would you rather write blog posts, film videos? Or maybe you're a social media whiz. Pick a platform you enjoy and think your target audience would hang out on. If your niche is rock climbing enthusiasts, consider a YouTube channel with equipment reviews and beginner tutorials. Or maybe an Instagram account full of motivational climbing videos and gear recommendations would work well too. Step number 3. Find your affiliate soulmates. Now for the money-making part. Affiliate programs act as the bridge between you and the products you want to promote. Here are a few popular choices: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Share a Sale, and individual company programs. Since you're into rock climbing, look for affiliate programs with climbing gear companies, gyms, or online training courses. Step number 4. Craft content that resonates. It's time to unleash your creativity and show your audience what you've got. Keep in mind that you're subtly weaving your affiliate recommendations into valuable and engaging content. Here are a few ideas: product reviews, listicles like 5 essential pieces of gear for beginner climbers, how-to videos such as Master the Figure 4, a beginner climbing technique, and inspirational stories that spotlight climbers who've overcome obstacles. Remember, make it fun and informative, and those affiliate links will start to feel natural. Step number 5. Drive traffic. You've built an awesome foundation, but you need those eyeballs on your content. Here's how to get the traffic flowing. Learn the basics of search engine optimization, SEO, post regularly on social media, engage with followers, and join relevant groups and communities. Consider using targeted paid ads, but be sure to set a budget and track results carefully. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, effort, and a genuine interest in helping your audience. So go forth, experiment, have fun, and who knows? You might just build yourself a thriving little side hustle.